Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be talking about some herbs today. I've been using herbs and I love them. Well, this is the magic potion right here. It is called sea moss. If you guys don't know about sea moss, I've got loads here. I also got here, that's cinnamon. If you guys don't know, cinnamon is really good. You guys can go ahead and research all these things. You know, I don't take it just for me, okay? I'm also a child nutritionist, so I like to do these things for my kids. So I'm making a potion for my kids because, you know, it's easy to go ahead and grab all these things here, like the albus oil, you know, for their nose if it's stuffy, you know, the cough medicine, the Nurofen or the paracetamol or the vapor rubs. You know, it's easy to draw for those things. But right here, I've got some bay leaf and cinnamon leaf. And we also got the cinnamon bark, which is so good for this type of weather, you know, when we're starting to get colds, flus, all of that. And we have to protect our immune system, we have to protect our bodies, okay? We have to fight back naturally. And it's all right to have backup of these other stuff, but it's always good to make your own medicine. So sea moss is always good to, you know, to always do every day, and kids can get it too. So this is a natural sea moss. I get mine from St. Lucia, and I get most of my other herbs from St. Lucia as well. So I go ahead and I jar them up or I store them. They last for a long time. You know, you don't have to worry about them going off or anything. I've got moringa, and I also got cerasee, and I also got lemongrass, which is one of my favorite herbs to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I've got boiling over there, and it's actually boiling over. So let's go and find out my other portion mix or tea that I'm making right now. So I actually just took this off the stove. It is garlic, ginger and thyme. I'm boiling that in some water. Over there I've got my bay leaf, cinnamon leaf, and I also got some lime and lemon to squeeze in that after, and then some honey right here to, you know, sweeten. You can also use brown sugar to sweeten, but I'm gonna add my dried leaves right now to this. This has been boiling for about half an hour or more, probably an hour now actually. I've been boiling this for a long time. So now I'm gonna go ahead and keep boiling it with my herbs, and then I'll sweeten it. But this is what I do to make the teas, and my kids drink it. Sometimes they drink it slowly, but eventually they'll, you know, it will work for their chest. It also gets rid of blocked nose, but it helps to bring up phlegm or anything like that off the chest and just make them sleep better at night. So if you don't want to try the, you know, over-the-counter stuff, this is a great one to make. So now I added the cinnamon bark. I also added the bay leaf and the cinnamon leaf. So now I'm going to go ahead and boil it for another half an hour just to get everything infused properly. Then I'm going to strain it and drink it. So yeah, if you guys want to try this out, please let me know if you want to see more teas like this. Really love making natural homemade teas. It's been something I've been doing for a while thanks to my mom and growing up in Jamaica. If you're from the Caribbean, you know that we like to blend our own stuff. So big props to all my Caribbean people that's going to be watching this, and everybody that's going to be trying this recipe out. But I've got lots more to share with you guys, so stay tuned. One of the other things that I love to use, or drink I should say, I like to use it in everything actually, is hibiscus flowers. So good. Oh my gosh, it's even great for high blood pressure, so be careful if you don't want to get your blood pressure too low if you've got low blood pressure. So that's a disclaimer for anybody that's got low blood pressure. Don't drink too much hibiscus tea, but the tea is so good. You can add it to anything here if you want. It gives a nice rich flavor, rich flavor, but also color to your tea, okay? But this is my little bunch right now. I do have more, but I wanted to share these with you guys because they're super good for your immune system and boosting your immune system right now, and also to get rid of colds and flus. And it's also safe for the family. So go ahead, get yourself some sea moss, some moringa, some cerasee, some lemongrass, you know, or fever grass, whatever you call it. Get yourself some cinnamon bark or cinnamon leaves, bay leaf, cinnamon leaf, and what else? There's so much different things I'm gonna share with you guys, but I want you guys to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more and how I store these as well, because this is like a big jar. It's super handy to have one of these to store your anything. Actually, you can store anything in these, but as I was saying, it is also good to have these as backup. you know, the medicines and all the over-counter stuff, but it's always good to have your own medicine. Like you can make your own potions at home with your herbs and your dried leaves and petals, whatever you have. It is okay to do that, but just know that you have to research these things and find out what works for you. But I'm going to share with you guys what's been working for me and my 4 kids, okay, and my family over the years. So if you want to see or interested to see what's been working for us, especially living overseas in England and not being able to travel and all of that, we are going to share with each other on this channel. So if you want to see more, keep watching, subscribe, share with your family, friends, everybody, aunties, uncles. Alright, let's do this, and I'll see you guys again. Let's go ahead and check out my tea and what it looks like. So I'm quickly showing you guys my sea moss. I took some out and I'm washing it in some water with lime juice and lemon juice, okay? So I'm just going to let this soak overnight. It's not a lot, but I'm just going to let it soak overnight. Keep rinsing it and do not leave it in the water for too long, okay? You need to keep rinsing it, and yeah, after that you can just blend it up. So I see some people boil it, but anything works for you. Whatever you grew up doing, I think whatever works for you, do it, okay? But yeah, you can just blend it up straight like that after rinsing it. Keep rinsing it off, making sure it's clean. Alright, you can just blend it fresh with your smoothies, add it into anything you want. As I said, it's safe for kids as well, alright? But yeah, go ahead, try out sea moss if you haven't already. Make sure you wash it, as I said, properly, and also you can boil it, make it into anything you want. You can make it into punches when you boil it. In the Caribbean, I think you can boil it with cinnamon as well. All of that spices. You can make something nice for Christmas. Oh my gosh, there's so many things you can do with sea moss, but it has so many good benefits, okay? So as I said, do your research, guys, and make sure you find out what works for you and your family, okay? So this is my tea. I'm going to sweeten it with some honey, and I already got a squeeze of lime. I'm also going to put some lemon in there, but I also got some brown sugar. It comes out like this beautiful color hay that you see. So yeah, you have to boil out the bay leaves and the cinnamon leaf for a while, and it gives this nice color. But go ahead and try this out. Let me know what you think, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you're all safe, all blessed, and feeling good. All right, and I hope this works for you and your family. All right, bye guys, see you soon.